Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset the Smart Life plug in 2026. So as you can see, this is the Smart Life plug that I have. So first of all, you need to plug the Smart Life plug directly into the wall outlet. And when you do so, you should see the solid light or the blinking indicator depending on its current status. Now, most of the Smart Life or the Tuya based plugs use the power button itself as the reset button. So you are going to see this type of power button on top of the plug. So you need to simply press and hold the power button for at least 5 to 10 seconds. You can also keep holding it until the indicator starts blinking rapidly. So that rapid blinking means that the plug has been entered into the easy pairing mode and the old Wi-Fi settings were cleared successfully. So basically you have successfully reset it by pressing and holding this particular power button for at least 5 to 10 seconds. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.